Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, we are finally doing another haul and this is gonna be a huge haul. So you all know that I was traveling, I went to Bangkok, then I went to Bali and I shopped a lot. Like from Bangkok I shopped a lot, from Bali not too much, so I thought I'll just combine the two hauls and do a huge haul for you all. I know you all love watching these hauls and I love doing these kind of chatty haul videos where I also try things for you guys, and it's a fun vibe, it's a girly thing to do, right? Yeah, enough of chatting, we'll get into the video now. And also I am not following any pattern or any order for this. I'm just picking up things and showing them to you all. There's no pattern, no nothing whatsoever, and I'll try to sort of tell you all where I got what from with the MRP, like with the price, if I can remember, because now it's been like a few weeks so I don't remember the prices correctly, but I'll still try to like write them down somewhere on the screen. First things first, we are starting with fridge magnets. So this is the one that I got from Bali and it is so adorable. Like I had a flower clip on me at all times in Bali, and when I saw this I was like, you know what, I have to buy it. And then this is what I got from Thailand. Basically I went to Bangkok, there were many which had like Bangkok written on them, but I just like this one. It's again a very cute one which has like Thailand related places on it, and it's just a nice colorful one. So both of these go on my fridge. In Bangkok, basically in the morning I just ended up in a mall and it was so adorable, and I got a few things from there as well. So we got many cute stickers. Like look at this one, it has such cute things. And then this one is there, and then this one, oh my god, like guys, these stickers are so pretty and they are perfect for my journaling, for my doodling, and I just love hoarding stickers. And then I also got this like 2025 monthly planner. Let me just open it. Okay, this is how it looks. It's just like a cute little diary which has these calendar pages, and I love planning, and this is perfect to start my new year with some planning, some writing. I mean, like look at these doodles. I was sold when I saw these doodles. I was like, you know what, I need to have it. And yeah, it's pretty cute. I'm gonna start planning my months in this from now on, along with Notion. From the same store I got this thing also. It's like a pocket diary with these like ruled pages, and you can just sort of put it on your purse or something, like a charm. And when I saw this I realized that there are so many things that I love writing down whenever I observe them, whenever an idea comes. So this is perfect. Now from 7-Eleven I got these three things. So first we have these Dove capsules for hair, and this says it's like a keratin shine daily hair vitamin. I think you're just supposed to break it and then just put it, and I was just like, you know what, I didn't know Dove does something like this. So yeah. And then this is like a acne patch, and I think it's in shape of these like mini hearts, which is again like so cute. And then these Hello Kitty sort of band-aids. Guys, these are so cute. Oh my god, look at these. And we have some more. I love these. I love these so much. They're adorable. Next we have some really cute like adorable plushies and just keychains. So basically in Bangkok there's just this thing that the toys there are literally incredible. They're so cute that it's like a big thing, like toys and miniatures. They're like so big in Bangkok, and obviously I had to get a few. So we have this like bear charm firstly, and I just want to put it on my purse because you all know that these bag charms are so in right now. I also got my first Sony Angel, but I don't think this is the real one. I think it's a dupe, but the real ones, like the actual ones, were really expensive in Bangkok, and they were selling the dupes which are identical, and I thought it's okay, it's fine, I can just take the dupe and get away with it. And I opened it there only, but I got this one, the orange one. Literally it's when I saw this I was like, wow, this is so cute. And there were so many other like options, but I got this one which I was really happy with. Honestly, I may just put it maybe on my desk or something. That's my plan with this one, and I might collect more because come on, like Sony Angel collection is a very girly thing to do, and I just find them really cute. And then I won this in like a game. I was able to open it, and look at this one again. It's a cutie charm. Here it says like Pokemon, and yeah, I don't know what this thing is called, but it's pink, so I like it. We will open this together. It's like a mystery box kind of thing. I really want the tea time one, like this one. I really wanted this, that's why I picked this one, hoping that I'll get the tea time one, because like it has a saucer and a cup, but let's see. Let's try our luck. So many. Wait. I think. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys! I got the one that I wanted. What? I literally wanted this. What are the chances? I could have gotten anything, but I got this. I am so lucky. It's not even like, oh my god. And then we have this one. Guys, we have a complete set. This is the cutest thing I own. Like, my day is made. I am so happy right now. I am so happy with this. Okay, moving on. I got two products from Lush, and now Lush is like super famous outside. I've seen so many of my favorite YouTubers use Lush products. So first is this Snow Fairy shower gel, and this one is actually a fairy dust. And guys, I'm not even kidding. It's like a powder, and when you put it, you glow. It's literally sparkle, and it looks so pretty. And you know, like with Christmas coming, with all the parties coming, I'm so excited to use this. I'll just take a little bit. Can you all see? Please tell me you all can see, because I can see. It looks, and it also has like a fragrance which is absolutely stunning. I hope you all can see the shimmer. I think now there are a few like clothing items, so let me just start showing you that. Most of these clothes are from this Chatak Chak market which I went to. It's like a weekend market, and most of the shopping that I did in Bangkok is from that place, because literally there were such adorable things and the prices were also low. So I really like that market, and if you're going to Bangkok, you cannot miss out that market. It's like literally one of the best markets for shopping. So the first thing that I got is this like oversized t-shirt with like this cat printed on it. It's so cute, and this whole print just gave like a very cutesy vibe. So I got this. Even the tag, it just says just a chill day. See? Next, I got these like two tank tops. So one is this one. It has this lacy kind of detailing, and it's pink. It has like a very floral print. It's padded inside, and it's just like a basic cute, you know, cami kind of top. And then I also got the same one in like a different pattern and a different sort of material. This is more ribbed, and again it also has a lace detailing, and I love these like hairs printed on it. It's again a basic cami top. It also has padding inside. I got the cutest night set ever. Like, guys, are we looking at this? The bows, the rabbits, the color, the collar, I love it. It's such a cute soft girl kind of nightwear, and it comes with like the matching shorts. And I literally wanted so many night sets because there were so many cute ones. I just got a few, but then if it were up to me, I would have gotten everything, because everything was so adorable, so cute. You all count the number of times I've said cute in this haul, because it must be a lot. But anyways, I also got like two sleeping gowns for my mom and my sister. So one is this one with, again, it's pink. It has these teddy bears printed on it. It's like a long sleeping gown. And the next one is for my mom. It's the same thing but just like a different color. This one is like lilac purplish. For myself, I got another night suit set. Now this one is from Platinum Mall, and it's full sleeved. It has bows on it. It has teddies on it. It's like a very beige cream kind of shirt, and it comes with, again, matching pants. And this one is again so sweet. It's so Pinteresty, and these, you know, like hearts which says baby cat. I don't know, these are bears but it says baby cat. But then again, this is such a cute, you know, night suit set. For my sister, I also got this like lilac cord set. These literally you can find anywhere in Bangkok, and they had so many colors. So this is like a shirt, and it comes with like matching pant. It's not like a night suit. It's like a linenish kind of material, and it's like a cute cord set again. And next, I got an insane price for this bag that I'm about to show you all, and I wanted something like this in this color. Y'all are not prepared. Like, it looks so chic. Ta-da! Are we looking at this, you guys? Look at this chocolate brown kind of color, and I love this detailing, and it just looks so good. I hope you all can see it. It looks so good, and it's gonna go with so many outfits that I'm about to wear, you know, for this winter fall kind of season. But yeah, I was sold the minute I saw this bag, because it has the perfect structure, it has the perfect detailing, and it's just overall really good. I I got another bag. Now this one is actually for my sister and it's like the Longchamp copy. It's not the original one. I do have the original one, but when we saw these, we were like, you know what, these are not too bad. But yeah, this one actually I didn't mind at all, and I asked my sister also, she needed like a good big tote bag, and I was like, listen, this and this are very similar. Let me keep the original one, you take the fake one. And I have the cutest claw clips ever. Like there were so many cute claw clips in Bangkok, and when I saw these two, I was sold. Like guys, look at this one. It has such cute like bows and strawberries and flowers, and this one is giving mermaid co. I don't know why I forgot to take this with me to Bali. Like I could have, right? These look so cute. I hope you all can see, but like I really like them. I love claw clips. I love, you know, just having different cute claw clips in my collection. I think I got a few claw clips even from Bali. This shop in Bali, which is called like Seaside Stories, I got 2 claw clips from there as well. So this is the first one. It's like a cute flower with like a very doodleish kind of vibe to it, and then this is like a basic pink one. I really like this because I like tying my hair, and because my hair is a little voluminous, these small ones don't work for me. So this is for my sister, this is for me. And I also got like a bunch of hand bracelets from Bali. There were so many, and so many were like really cute, you know. So these are the 2 that I got. This first one is like a starfish with these pink stones, and then the second one, it's colorful with a turtle in between, and these again colorful stones. These are the 2 that I got from Bali. I again wanted to buy so many, but then these were also not very cheap. I don't know, for some reason I think one of this costed me 600 rupees, like one for 600. That's way too expensive. I also got this bag from Bali. Now look at this detailing. I think it's like straw material, and Bali has a lot of these kind of bags in big size, medium size, like so many styles, and I think I like this one. So you can like just hold it like this, or there is like a crossbody chain inside, so you can use it like that also. It's like a really cute, I don't know, summery beachy kind of bag. I don't know if I'll use it maybe in the coming months, but then for later I think this one is good. Me and Tarini both got like a similar style, so we were like, you know what, we have to buy one thing that the both of us have. And then from Bangkok, my mom asked me to get these like coconut oils, and she was like, these are the best coconut oils ever, just get like 10 bottles. I was like, I'm not getting 10 bottles, but then I got these 3 bottles of coconut oil for her. And then we have from Bali this like dish that I got. It's like a marbly kind of heart-shaped trinket dish, and we also have, oh my god, this starfish bracelet. I think this was the one that me and Tarini twinned. Yeah, it was this. She also has the same one. So my mom likes to use a lot of incense sticks, so this is like a holder for that, and I thought it would look really cute in our house in Jaipur. We have a few other like tops that I got from Bangkok, the Chatuchak market. One is actually the one I'm wearing. It has these like bows. I don't know if you all can see it. They are like these white heart bows. So this is a top, and then from the same shop I got this top as well. It again has a cat on it. I don't know why I've gotten so many things with like cats printed on them, but it's okay. It also has like these ribbon bows, and again it's like a basic crop top kind of thing. And I also have a few like cami tops. This shop in Chatuchak market was like, you know what, you can take like 3 tops, any 3 tops, and you would have to pay like 700 or 900 rupees, and I thought that was a steal deal. So the first one is this tank top, and it says be kind to your mind. That's what it says. It's like a basic tank top. And then there's another one which has like some tropical things printed on it, which I wore in Bali. And then this grey one which has this like angel face on it, and I think these are perfect for like every day if I want to just wear them in my house, or maybe I'm just going out randomly and I just want to throw on like a top. I think for those occasions these work well. And lastly, we have a huge bag of Charles & Keith, because we had a layover in Singapore, and me and Aini both were like, you know what, we have to shop from the Changi airport, the Jewel Changi airport, I think that's what it's called. So in Charles & Keith we went mad. I mean, I still got like 3-4 things. Tarini has got like so many bags. She had like 5 bags on her, like big bags, this size bag, and into 5. It was insane, but I'm so happy for her. She did like good shopping, and even I did good shopping. So this is the first bag that I got for myself. It's like handbag kind of situation. Again, it has a strap inside, so you can either make it crossbody. This is the strap. I have not even opened this because I don't know, I've just kept all of these things away in a corner because I wanted to do this haul, and now I will place everything wherever it belongs. But anyways, this is the first bag. It's like this nice cream kind of material. And then we have a pair of footwear actually, and I love Charles & Keith footwear, so I got a beige one. This is how it looks like. I mean, again, it's so chic, and I love this like buckle detailing on it. I actually wanted a pair of slippers. Like, that was something I was sure about, that I want footwear like flats, because I have so many heels. I have shoes, but I don't have many flats, and I love wearing flats these days. I don't know why. I used to hate wearing flats, but now I love wearing flats. So maybe I'm just growing and maturing. And lastly, we have one more bag. Now this again is for my sister, and it's like a very pretty black bag. It's not even open. Should I just open it? It's fine, I can open it. So this is how the bag looks like. It has this like holding thing, which is like it's like a metal handle, and Charles & Keith written here. And there's also a really pretty like silver chain. Yeah, this is the chain it comes with. Again, it's such a different style, and I know my sister, she has like everyday bags, but this is something fancy, right? So I thought, she would like this maybe for New Year's or something like that. But like a really cute bag this is. I wanted this, but then she was like, no, you have to give this to me. And I was like, you have a point. I have too many bags. So yeah, and that is it, you guys. That was my really cute, huge haul, and I'm so happy to be having these things. Like, I'm so grateful. When I was shopping for all of this, I was just so happy that I just get to buy all of this. And Bangkok is such a beautiful place in general, and even Bali was not that great for me in terms of shopping, but Bangkok was total slay. And yeah, that's it. Let me know if you all have any questions regarding anything in the comments. I'll get back to you, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.